Hello Drone Racers, I'm Mark, and today on DroneRacer101 I just figured out that it's August. Did you realize it's August? Apparently just turned August, so we have to do a couple things today. A lot has changed on DroneRacer101. First, I'm going to cover what's been going on and why things have been so weird in August, and then we're going to finish off the July giveaway, and then we're going to kick off the August giveaway. So first, you'll notice I'm not using my daughter's computer. I'm actually set up here in my basement. I have started working from home, and it took a little while for me to get things set up the way I like them, and I pretty much spent all my time on that. Here, check this out. So my old method for reviews was to do the review and then throw the boxes out of the way and grab the next one so I could get as fast as possible, and then this was kind of a result. So first, this had to go. Then I finally got a desk, and I had to figure out where to put it. It's harder than you'd think. Oh, especially when I was watching this dude in his live stream. Then the bench needed moved, but first it needed cleared. My old process was just to shove everything to the corners so I could review the next thing and you couldn't see it. And then I had to stock the 2 review shelves, which was way bigger than I expected. Everything just barely fit. Kind of. Okay, it didn't. So this was several weeks worth of work to get all of this in place and to get everything organized. And then the last step really before I could post this video was to get the drones on the wall so those could get out of the way. So this is the final result now, and several of these shelves are dedicated to giveaway items, and I have more stuff to give away than I even realized. But we'll get to that in just a minute. But first we have to give away the items for July, finally. I actually drew the name like weeks ago, but we're gonna finally give them away. So first we have up the Eachine EX2 drone, and I have the goggles too, those are over there. The winner of the EX2 is Benjamin Eiselink. Benjamin Eiselink. So no, he hasn't flown ever before, so this is a pretty good option for getting started. You can fly at line of sight to get used to it, and you've got goggles that you can fly, and it did okay. It wasn't the best, this isn't the best drone racer out there, but to get started, just to kind of get a feel for it, it's a pretty good first step to get your feet wet. I think he'll definitely enjoy that. So that was the YouTube giveaway over on Patreon. Did you know I have a Patreon? You have to be at the $10 level to participate in the giveaways, but even at the $1 level, I've got posts there. So everything when I post, like the day I recorded redoing The Office, I posted on there just for fun so we could talk about it. Also have several other previews and things as they go on. But the giveaway there was a jumper, let's see, what is it, X68S. This is the brushless version. The winner of this was Sebastian Koss. Sebastian has won before because there aren't that many people over on Patreon. We end up with a lot of repeat winners, so if you want to take a shot at that, the more people we've got, the more fun it's going to be. And now that this is done, I have more things planned for that, like a permanent live streaming setup back there on the bench. But Sebastian wins this, so this will go to Germany. I believe he lives in Deutschland. So that gets us to the August giveaway. So the August giveaway kicks off right now. It's actually already started, and there are a couple people who have entered because they checked the little box to be notified when new giveaways started. So they've been able to go ahead and get started on that now. I'll tell you, the first giveaway I'm doing is basically based on size. I got to get rid of this biggest box because the giveaway pile is overflowing right now. So for that, the biggest box I've got is the Bayangtoys X21 drone. So I reviewed this a while back, and it was actually a pretty good drone. It was a brushless drone, and it did a lot of stuff. It had nice controls and flew well, and the modules and things actually worked on it. But this box is huge, so it's got to go. I need the space. So to sign up for that, click down below in the Gleam giveaway. I use Gleam, not everybody likes it, but it's really nice because I can make sure it filters through cheaters. And it works out better than YouTube, and I saw people get disqualified on a Twitter giveaway, and it just makes it nice for me. It also gives me the opportunity to point out my discount spreadsheet that has all the best discounts that is also linked down below, and we are coming up on a time right now where GearBest and Banggood are both going to have crazy discounts going on all the time. They've got a few now. It's just going to keep ramping up. So on Patreon, for everyone that's there, if you are interested in the giveaway, what I'm going to do is, a lot of people there like to build. They're a little more established. I think all the patrons have drones, and I like to do things that are a little more unique there, and I'll be apt to do things that might even need some work or repair because it's a good drone, but it might just need something. In this case, I'm going to do what is labeled as the Apis Floria 66. Now, this is a DIY kit, so this comes with everything you need to build a 66mm brushless. It's basically a tiny whoop, but it's a little bit taller. It's on a carbon frame, so it doesn't look like a tiny whoop quite, but it's that size. This is a DIY kit that comes with everything you need in order to put it together. Now, the link for it actually doesn't say this, but I'm pretty sure the link that I posted is the same thing. That's available down below. So you may notice the Furious FPV hat. I'm not going to say this episode is sponsored by Furious FPV, but they did send me some stuff. They sent me a couple hats. They also sent me a whole bunch of stickers, so I'm going to start giving these away with anybody that wins one of the prizes. I'll throw in one of these packs. Not super exciting, but hey, I've seen worse. So my giveaways usually run through the first Saturday of the month, so that's what's going to happen here. It's going to run through August 1st. The first day of the month is the Saturday, so that is really soon. So if you're going to share this, which is the best way to get extra entries for this kind of thing, is to share the giveaway in Gleam. Make sure you do that fast because we don't have very much time. I'll probably record the winner of this and the next month's giveaway on Sunday. So if you found this useful, leave a like. And if you don't want these prizes, leave a dislike. But either way, you should go sign up for it. So click the link down below, get all signed up, click the Patreon link, and go check that out. Even if you can just do $1, I really appreciate that because it helps build up, and then when something new comes out, like the Crossfire module that just came out, I paid for that. That was $200 basically just to be able to do that review. And the TBS is not going to sponsor me. That's not going to happen. So it's things like that that make it easier for me to pull the trigger to hopefully provide useful information to all of you guys. And at the $10 level, you can participate in the giveaways. And at the $50 level, I don't remember what the difference was. I might have to go look. That might be why there aren't any of them anymore. There was one for a while, which was awesome. So until next time, remember, there's also a $1,000 level. At $1,000, we'll come hang out once or twice per year at an event of your choice. But don't get too excited because I have capped that level at 12 people because any more than that would be unreasonable.